Hi, my name is Mary, and today let us talk about being dirty in the first meeting. We all know that as a Filipina, we do have traits that we have to wait for some time in order for us to give the best that we could offer. It is called pakipot. But like even you love to be affectionate, however, you stop doing it because it will ruin your dignity, it will cause trouble to your family or to you, and also to your religious belief. But for me, I am way different. So, yep, there are some who are very culturistic and there are some who are open-minded to it. However, they will not tell you upfront, or they are shy to talk about this kind of topic. But yeah, I will have to tell you about this. Okay, so yes, I am down for intimacy even in the first meeting, because we may not know what will happen the next day. Like, you and him won't see each other because nothing in this world is permanent. It will be one of the luckiest if he will come back and see you. But chances it couldn't be possible again because of lack of finances, or maybe he has to grow beyond his comfort zone, or he has to grow himself without you. So it could be a great chance that you're doing all the best that you could when you were together with that person. Okay, so, and number two, yes, I will be easily in love and do all the best that I could, such as protection while he's with me, and giving the attention that he wants, making him feel safe when we are together, do things old couple does, be genuine and honest. Like, no time to wait, because we may never know what life's ahead. At least you say what you need to say, or do the things you love to do or to share with him. At least if you parted ways, you will not regret saying, "Wish I have done that before he is gone." Number three, will I entertain stranger even I've been into bad experience? The answer is yes. Yes, because every human has different attitude. Maybe the person I helped yesterday neglect me, but maybe today this is really a needy person. Needy, and like needing of your honesty, genuinity, and loving care. It doesn't mean that you have a bad experience, that you are now blind to see the new people. Maybe that certain person will fill up the missing piece that you look for, but you close your eyes because of those horrific experience. Number four, will I be conservative or preservative in one day meeting? Well, the answer is no, because I want to feel our body that collides. I enjoy the soft touch, the strong sense, the warm embrace, the sun kiss, the climax, the fast heartbeat, the wild breeze, and I am down to that. I may forget the name, but I won't forget the experience. Alright, so for number 5, um, will I cry or will I be sad when we parted ways? The answer is yes, I will. And I am. Surely I will be sad, but at least when we parted ways, I will be proud, or both of us be proud, or you are proud to say, at least we made it. Because life is just a journey. We don't know who will stay, who will be gone, but surely if they're gone for good. But the genuine memories are forever in our hearts. Again, so just give your best shot. Nothing you have to lose. And anyway, yeah, be careful and be mindful of all your actions. Okay, so my name is Mary once again. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay? Goodbye for now. Please do like, share, and subscribe.